What's going on, guys? This is your boy GSDLM here, bringing you guys another unboxing to my channel. Sorry for that right there in the camera, but anyways, this is sort of gonna be an unboxing because I already opened up the Vans, bro. I was way too excited for these. I've been waiting for these since they got leaked like back in January, so finally they arrived. These are from week 2, and I already opened them like right before I started recording, just because I wanted to try them out so bad because I've been waiting for them forever. But anyways, yeah, this is the Supreme Vans Skull Pile High, as you guys can see. Ignore the bed, by the way, guys. Like, when I wake up, I don't make my bed because I always wake up moody because I'll sleep a few hours, like 3, 4, 5. I don't know how many I sleep. No, I don't sleep that much. And I always wake up moody and I just don't feel like doing anything. I do my bed later on the day. But yeah, we got the Skull Pile High, or the Skate High Vans Skull Pile. As you guys can see, these are so sick, bro. I've been waiting for them forever. They're so cool. I'm pretty sure these glow in the dark as well. As you guys can see, here's the design. Here's the design. We flip it. I believe on this side it says Supreme. Or I don't even think it says Supreme around. I don't know where it says Supreme. I'm pretty sure it does. I'm not too sure. But as you guys can see, these are so cool, man. The design is so cool. I like it on the shoes, but I didn't like it on the jacket or the hoodie. Or actually on the hoodie it was alright, but the shoes were definitely my favorite. Size 11, as you guys can see here. So I already tried out the other one, so because like I said, I was so excited, I just wanted to try them out. And here's the other one. I already put on the shoelace. As you guys can see, pretty cool Vans off the wall. So sick, man. Oh, there it says Supreme right there. You guys can see it. Very small, but still awesome, man. Oh, this is so cool, bro. When I tried them on, oh, they just felt so nice. You can see in there it says Vans Pro. This is so awesome. But yeah, this is not the only item I got from week 2. And now I'm about to show you guys what else I got. Alright guys, so I just opened the box with the tennis balls. That you can see they're in here. So Supreme bag like always. So let's go ahead and take this out. Stickers are over here. Like I said, guys, ignore the mess. It's so messy, I know. I'm such a crazy sleeper, man. But anyways, here are the tennis balls, man. I've been waiting for these forever. As you guys can see, there's a Supreme logo. You open it up here. It says Wilson. Pretty cool, man. These white on red balls are so awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. Oh. Oh, the smell, bro. The smell. Alright, guys. So here are the Supreme tennis balls. Like I said, I love this color. It's so awesome that they didn't choose green and they chose white, just because white tennis balls are so cool, man. Sucks when they get dirty, but this white on red is so awesome. Or red on white. Or however you say it. I don't even know how you say it, bro. But anyways, these are so cool, man. They smell very nice, as you guys just heard when I opened them, bro. A lot of air came out, and that smell was so amazing. So we got that one. We got these two right here as well, man. So they all have Supreme on them, as you guys can see. Let me move that out of the way. We got Supreme right there. Pretty cool. And we got Supreme right there, man. So 3 Supreme tennis balls. And we got the Vans over here. Let me put them real quick over here. Oh, let me move this box out of the way. Oh, alright. And we got the Vans over here, man. So really quickly, as you guys can see, such an awesome picture that you guys are seeing right here. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this unboxing. Very awesome stuff I got here. Alright guys, I almost forgot, actually, we got the stickers here. And, oh yes! Fuck yeah, man. I wanted this sticker so bad, dude. I thought they would come in the Vans since these are the skull pile, but no, it came in the tennis balls. Yo, I've wanted this, dude. Legit, while I was coming back from school, I was telling my mom that I want this sticker. Oh, this is so cool. I got more poppy seeds as well. Let me go ahead and open these real quick. Alright guys, so I have the stickers here. First one we got is the chair sticker right here. Pretty cool. It's the Supreme chair they have right here. I have no idea what this says down here. I'm guessing this is like Supreme in some other language, and then New York, because that's what it says right there. So I'm guessing all of this means Supreme, then New York, with the chair sticker right here. This is pretty cool. We have the, oh dude, this one's so beautiful, bro. I've wanted this one. Oh dude, I can't wait to put this somewhere. This one is so nice. It just says Supreme all over it. Or not all over it, but you guys can see it, obviously. It says Supreme right there with all the skulls. That's so sick, bro. Oh, we got the chicken dinner tee. Or not the tee, but the sticker. I mean, the tee was alright. I mean, it wasn't too crazy. I'm not too crazy about this sticker. I am crazy about this one, though. This one, definitely my favorite. And then on the Vans, I don't even know where I left the one I got from Vans. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. And here's the one that came with the Vans, the one that I've gotten every week. So yeah, this is so cool, man. At least this one is. And overall, the unboxing was so awesome with the tennis balls and the Vans, bro. I can't wait to try these on. These are so sick.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video of the Supreme Spring Summer 18 Week 2. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Later on, probably in around an hour or so, I will be releasing the Week 4 drop list, so make sure you guys check that out. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace!